Today is the day to dive deep into the universe of neuroscience. If you've always wanted to understand how our brain works, you're in the right place. Get ready for an exhilarating journey through the corridors of the human brain, where each neuron is a star and each synapse an exciting connection. Let's start with the basics. What the heck is neuroscience? Well, it's the science that studies the nervous system, including the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. It's like a giant map of our most amazing organ, the brain. And believe me, it's as complex as it seems, with billions of neurons communicating in super crazy ways. The history of neuroscience is a captivating journey through the annals of scientific discovery. It traces back to ancient civilizations, where early scholars began pondering the mysteries of the human brain and its functions. However, it wasn't until the Renaissance and the Enlightenment periods that significant strides were made in understanding the brain's complexities. From the pioneering anatomical studies of figures like Andreas Vesalius to the groundbreaking discoveries of Santiago Ramon y Cajal, who unraveled the structure of neurons, the story of neuroscience is marked by relentless curiosity and innovative inquiry. Throughout the centuries, advancements in technology, such as the invention of the microscope and modern imaging techniques, have revolutionized our ability to explore and comprehend the intricate workings of the brain, propelling neuroscience into a dynamic and rapidly evolving field. Now, we need to talk about the real heroes of this story, neurons. These tiny cells are responsible for all the heavy lifting in the brain. They transmit information through electrical and chemical signals, creating an incredible communication network that allows us to think, feel, and act. Imagine synapses as bridges between neurons. They are the secret connections that allow messages to flow through our brain. Every time we learn something new or have an experience, new synapses are formed. It's like our brain is a city under constant construction, with new roads being opened all the time. One of the most amazing things about the brain is its ability to adapt and change throughout life. This is known as neuroplasticity. Basically, it means that our brain can mold and reorganize in response to new experiences or injuries. Now, let's talk about how our brain processes all these crazy pieces of information we receive from the world around us. From simple things like recognizing a familiar face to complex tasks like solving a puzzle, our brain is constantly working behind the scenes to keep us functioning. For all these messages to flow smoothly through our brain, we need to talk about neurotransmitters. These guys are the chemical messengers that transmit signals from one neuron to another. They are responsible for regulating everything from our mood to our sleep. Without them, we'd be completely lost. Finally, let's address a super important topic, the relationship between neuroscience and mental health. After all, our brain isn't just a thinking machine, it also greatly influences our emotional health. Understanding how the brain works can help us develop new ways to treat disorders like depression and anxiety. Don't forget to make a right synapse to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It will also make you 200% smarter. There is neuroscientific research that demonstrates this. Like the one I made with my grandma. And so we come to the end of this journey through the world of neuroscience. Remember, the brain is the most amazing organ in our body, so let's take good care of it. Until next time, folks.